Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. So, how are you all doing? Great too? Good. That's very good. How was your weekend? Do you guys enjoy the weekend? Yes. Okay, do you guys have some special plans for the weekend or not? Yes. Okay, well, I do plan my weekend. Okay, I do plan if I need to, go somewhere, visit some family member or some of the friend. I do that on the weekends. If I need to do some extra work, I keep that for the weekend. Beside that, well, because I have different responsibilities from you, so I need to help my mom in, over the weekend for doing some household works. And beside that, there are, if I have some pending assignments or some projects, I also do that on weekends. Okay, so I have a different responsibility, but at your age you have a different responsibility, a different lifestyle, different activities. So definitely your weekend would be different, right? Okay, so tell me, how do you guys spend your weekend? Yes. Okay, you visit parks. That's cool. What else? Okay, that's very good. So today, before moving forward or before discussing today's topic, I want to ask you guys: have you guys revised what we did in the last week? The topics that we did. Have you guys revised that? Good, and you have practiced that as well. Okay, that's very good. So in today's class, we will be talking about the ascending and descending order that I have already written on the board. And we will do some practice exercise, some practice work for that as well. So before starting, let's start from what ascending and descending means for you, okay? So if you guys, remember the terms or not. Okay, so who is going to tell me what ascending means? Ascend. What do we do in ascending order? Yes, in ascending order, we write from we move from small to the higher one, right? And what do we do? Descend. Have you heard this word descend? That this book was descended. So this means from higher term to the lower one, right? Okay, cool. So before moving forward, let's start today's class with the video. We will watch the video together. That will help you understand the concept more, and then we will do some practice exercises, okay? So let's watch a video together. Then I'll ask you questions and we will discuss what ascending and descending orders are. Show me a thumbs up if you are able to see the screen. Okay, so who is going to tell me what we have seen in the video? We seen that if we move from smaller number toward the bigger number, then it is called as ascending order. Okay, let's explain or understand this concept in a way that in English alphabet, okay, how do I remember this in my childhood, or how do I learn this concept? Look at the board. What comes before in the in English alphabets? A or D? A, right? So this means A is small, right? This is small. A for small alphabet, like it starts from there, right? And D is a bigger, or let's say large alphabet, right? So ascending means starting from the smaller number and then moving up, right? And descending means a bigger large number. So this means starting from a large number and then moving down. See, is this a good strategy to remember? Yes? Okay, perfect. So in ascending order, we will start from a small number, from small number of items, from small things, and then we will move towards the higher one, right? And in the descending order, we will start from the higher number and then we will move down. Okay, so now I'm going to write few numbers over here, and then I'll ask you to tell me how we can write it in descending or ascending order. Okay, let's say the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say counting from 1 to 5. Okay, and we need to write it both in ascending and descending order. So let's start from ascending order because A is small, and then D stands for descending order. Okay, A for ascending and D for descending. These are not the brackets. Okay, in ascending order, what I told you that we write from the small, we move from smaller towards the greater number. So the order would be same the way they are written over there, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? Now let's look at the descending order. I told you that in descending order, we move from the higher towards the lower one, like in this direction. In ascending, we move from there to there. This is called ascending. And in descending means in a reverse order, right? To descend something, to reverse something, in which we move from a higher number towards the lower one. So if we discuss or write the given numbers in a descending way, it would be like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we started from the higher number, from the numbers which was given there, which was given in the list, in the data, and then we move toward the smaller one, and then it would be like 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. Okay, so these are the two ways, ascending and descending order. We watched a video as well, and I have explained the concept as well, and there are some practice exercise in your book, so let's do that together. Okay, so take out your books, hurry up. Okay, all of you must have your books with you. So open book page number 5. Okay, in book page number 5, there are this page. There are 4 letters in the on your book page. The first letter starts from 24, and then you have to write the counting in a reverse way, right? You have to start from 24, then it would be 23, then 20. Okay, I'll be doing one for you, and then you have to do the rest by yourself. Okay, so this would be a practice, and I'll help you out if you need any kind of help in that. Okay, okay, it started from 24. Okay, it started from 24, and we have to write the counting in reverse. So what comes before 24? It's 23. What comes before that? It's 22. What comes before 22? It's 21, then 20, then 19, then 18. And the book has also given you the number, the smallest number till you have to write, and that is 15. Okay, so what comes before 18? It's 17, then 16, and then 15. So this is the way you have to fill the letter. Okay, you are given 4 letters in the book. I have filled up one for you, and you have to fill the rest by yourself, and I'll help you out. Okay, so let's start from the next letter. You have to start from 35. Okay, what comes before 35? It's 34. Excellent. Sorry, then 33. Okay, what comes before 33? It's 32, then 31. Okay, then 30, then 29. What comes before 29? It's 28, then 27, 6, 5, 4. Okay, so we have to move till 26. Okay, so we will stop there by 26. Now let's move toward the next letter. You have to start from 98 and then you have to, okay, you need to practice these two letters, which will, the first bit will start from 98 and the other that starts from 51 at your home. Now let's practice the question for descending order as well. Okay, we haven't practiced that. Okay, there is this question on page number 6. Open that. On page number 6, you have two questions. On the first question, it says that fill in the numbers in ascending order. We have already practiced that, right? Let's move toward the second question, which says that fill in the numbers in descending order. Now, what you have to do in descending order, you have to start from the higher number and then you have to, okay, good. So let's descending order, we move from higher towards the lower one, right? So 91, then 90, then 88, 85, and all that. So you need to write these numbers for you, okay? Okay, in your book on this page, on page number 5, you can write it, let's do this, that for the first two letters, you practice it in descending order. You started from the higher and move. Now for the next two letters, practice it in ascending order. Start from here, from the bottom of the letter, where it is written 89, then move upward. 90, 91, 92, 93. Move in this way. Starts from the bottom of the letter and then moves upward. So it would be ascending order. And what we have done already was descending one, right? And similarly, now on the next page, you have questions both for ascending and descending order. So first do that in ascending, in which you will start from the small number and then you will move towards the higher one. And in the descending order, you have to start from the higher number and then you move towards the lower one. So let's start these questions, okay? Okay, class. So all of you are done. Show me your work. Excellent. So what we did today, we talked about ascending and descending order and we practiced that as well. Now the home task for you is that you have to, okay, you first have to write how many members are there in your family and then you have to write their ages. Okay? Let's say your mother is of 38, your father is of 42, one of your sibling is of 18, then 7, 6, whatever. And then arrange them in ascending or descending order, whatever order you want, and draw their pictures. Okay? It's an interesting activity and you have to practice this at your home. Okay? So that was all for today. And see you in the next class, in social studies class. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.